Okay, my talk is on this Pallanguzi. Pallanguzi means, Kuri means pit, and Pallanguzi has got different connotations. Pannanguri, that means Padinangu. Padinangu in Tamil means 14 pits. That Pannanguri became Pallanguri. It is once thought. And I'm going to talk about one particular game in this Pallanguri and how Vedic Math Sutras can be applied in this single player game. And it's called Sitai Pandi. Sita, you know, she's from Ramayana character and the goddess. And when she was in Ashokavan, in the Ravana's kingdom, she was alone and she had nothing to do there. And it was said that she had played this game continuously. And as it is a single player game, you can imagine that. And also it has got another name called Ashoka Vana Atam. So Ashoka Vana is where she was there, and Ashoka Vana Atam. This game is like going on in circles. So this is called Sitai Pandi. So it is a Mankala game from South India. And as I said, it's a single player game. And this Mankala board has got 14 pits, 7 pits in each row. And the number of seeds or stones or beans or cowrie shells we are using here is 56. So this is the position of the board.
Just one minute, Ramya, are you sharing the screen? We cannot see your screen.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Yes, Srinivasa, we are recording. Yeah.
Are you able to see now?
No, just give 2 minutes. Yeah, maybe start from beginning if you want to. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the Pallanguzi. And I'm going to talk on the application of Vedic Math Sutras in the single player game. Pallanguzi, as I said, 14 pits, Padinangu Kuri. Padinangu means 14 in Tamil. So that became Pannanguri and Pannanguri became Pallanguzi. And the game I'm going to talk about is Sitai Pandi after the goddess Sita. So it's a Mankala game from South India. It's a single player game. And the Mankala board has got 14 pits and 7 pits in each row. And we use the seeds or shells or beans or cowrie shells in the game. And it's got 56. So the board looks like this. It's got 14 holes. And the objective of the game is to keep playing until the board setup is same as at the start of the game. So the board setup, as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seeds on the top. And the bottom row has got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Setting up of the game. So as you can notice, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the top. And the bottom has got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the bottom, it is in the descending order I have arranged. And the top, it is in the ascending order. And I can arrange the board in this way as well. So the bottom row can have in the ascending order. It can go from 1 to 7 in the ascending order. And the top, it is in the descending order from 7 to 1. The seeds, if you notice, in each column adds to 8 here. 8, 2 and 6 adds to 8, 3 and 5 adds to 8, 4 and 4 adds to 8. Basically, number bonds of 8. And if you notice, they are in the transpose position. So you can see, notice 7 here and the 7 in the topmost top row you got, the transpose position is here. So for everything, it is transposed. So the direction of the movement of the seeds, I'm going to start from the lower pit, where I've got it, I'm going to go anti-clockwise in the lower row, bottom row, and the clockwise in the top row. And I'm going to go circle. So if I have the board in the other way, I will go clockwise in the bottom row and the anti-clockwise in the top row. So my starting position is always on the bottom row, which has a greater number of seeds. In this case, it is the pit with the 7 seeds. So this is my starting point. So what is the objective of this game? So I've shown the direction of the movement of the seeds from the starting point. And how do I do it? The player empties the seeds from a pit and adds 1 seed to each of the consecutive pits. So I'm going to start from here. I will be adding 1 to each of my other pits, consecutive pits, others consecutive 7 pits. So the player empties the seeds from a pit. So that's going to be my first move, is going to be from my starting point 7. So I'm going to take away 7 and I'm going to add 7 to the consecutive 7 pits. 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is my first move. My second move is going to start from here. I finished my first move here. So I'm going to start from here. This pit has got 6 seeds. So I'm going to empty that. Second move has got 6. So I'm going to empty that 6. And I'm going to add 1 to the next 6 pits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is my second move. So I'm going to play a small video for you to understand how it goes. Okay, so this is the starting position of the board. So I've got 7 seeds here, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, and
Ramya, can you share with the sound? We cannot hear the sound. When you share it, can you share with the sound?
Sorry, Swati?
Can you share the video with the sound? When you do the share, can you just switch on share with sound so that we can hear the recording?
How do I do that? Sorry.
So when you share, it just asks you whether share with sound. There's a small bottom on the bottom. So stop sharing now. When you do share screen.
Okay.
And when you share it on the bottom, that will ask share with sound. Does it
No,
say
it didn't ask me, so I'm just...
in the screen? Do you get it in the screen? When you share that particular window.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
Yeah.
7.
Thank you.
Are you able to hear better?
On the bottom
Yeah, just
row.
can you rewind and start again? Yeah, this video, please. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you, Ravi.
So this is the starting position of the board. This has got 7 seeds here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the position of the top row is the transposed one. So you can see from left to right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am going to start my game. So I'm going to start from the pit that has got greater number of seeds, which is 7. So this is on the bottom row, left hand side, and it has got 7 seeds. Now I'm going to begin. I'm going to sow the seeds continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to choose this one. This has got 6 seeds. So this is a continuous game. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my third move. And you can see I've got 7 seeds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my fourth move. I've got 6 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my fifth move. And I've got 7 seeds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my sixth move. And I've got 6 seeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my seventh move, and you guessed it right, it's again 7 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 8th move. It will be 6 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my 9th move, and I got 7 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 10th move. I got 6 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my 11th move. I got 7 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my 12th move. I've got 6 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my 13th move. I got 7 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I got 6 seeds in my 14th move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is going to be my 15th move. The 15th move, this would have got 14 seeds. And this is exactly the transpose position of the place where I began. And this would have 14 seeds. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the position of the board after 15 moves.
Okay. Now I just take you through the last move, 15th move again. So this was the start of the 15th move. The positions were like this. And you can see this is the last 15th move. I moved 14 seeds from here. I moved and I would start the next sequence from here. So I'm going to compare the first move and after my 15th move, what was the board position. Okay, if you notice, you can see the one seed, it has got a transpose position before the movement. And after the 15th move, you can see the corner had 2 seeds here and it had exactly transposed with the bottom row. And similarly, you can notice all the transpose position. So the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 seeds on the top. The reverse is just 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So I have recorded my observation. I'm showing my observation for every 15 moves. So the first move, my 1 seed, the whole pit with 1 seed, it was in this corner and it was transposed in the bottom row like this. After 15th move, you can see it had moved to the right hand side corner. And after 30th move, you can see it was just on the second last. And after 45th move, you can see it had come here to the 3rd place from right. And after 60th move, it had come to the middle. The hole with the 1 seed had come to the middle. So how many more moves till the original position? Can someone try to guess? No one?
Not 5.
How many more moves till the original position is reached?
Maybe I think 120 or 105. I need to check that.
Okay. James? Okay, let me continue. So what is the sequence that you saw? And how many terms were there in the sequence? And what is the sum of each sequence? These are the questions you would have come out with now. So let's see. The sequence up to every 15 moves. I was emptying the seed 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, and the last one pit had 14. So the number of terms in the sequence, if you see, there were 15 moves, and that is equivalent to number of pits plus 1.
Is it
and
98?
You can see, notice. Sorry?
Is it 98? That's my guess.
No, the other day you said the right answer. It is 45 moves more.
Ah, right. Okay.
That's okay. So if you notice, if you try to calculate the sum of the sequence, and you notice there are 7 sevens here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I made an error. Sorry, 7 times 7, 7 times 6, and 7 times 2. And it is 15 times 7, and the sum of the sequence is 105. How many sequences till the objective is attained? The sequence is 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, and I think I missed a 1, 7, 6 writing there. This sequence is repeated 7 times till the original position is attained, and the number of terms in each sequence were 15. So 15 times 7 gives us 105 moves. So to return to the original position, I have to really move 105 times. So what is the concept that is associated with this mathematical concept? And what is the relation between the number 105 and the number of pits here? So that takes us to this concept triangular number. So you could see I had the top row had 1 to 7, 28 seeds, and the bottom row had 28 seeds. That were total 56 seeds. And the number of pits were 14. So the triangular number formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 105. And we had 14 pits, and one more than is 15, and divided by 2, you get 15 times 7, that is 105. The sum of each sequence is 105. The number of terms in the entire game is 105. And 105 is nothing but the 14th triangular number. And you can see that here. 105 is the 14th triangular number. You can try to explore this with even 4 pits, 6 pits, 8 pits, 10 pits, and so on. So I have tried to capture an image of having 1 and 2 seeds at the top and 2 and 1 seeds at the bottom. You will get a series sequence like this, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, and this sequence will repeat 2 times. And the number of terms would be 10, and the sum of each sequence, if you see 2, 1, 2, and 4, that would be 10. And 10 is nothing but the 4th triangular number, that is equal to the 4 pits here. So 4 into 5 by 2 is 10. And similarly, you can have 1, 2, 3 in the top row, 3, 2, 1 to explore. And you would get a sequence of 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 6. This is the double of 3, if you notice. And you can see the sequence 3, 2 occurs 3 times. And this sequence occurs 3 times. So number of terms would be 21. The sum of each sequence, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and 6 is 21. 21 is nothing but the 6th triangular number. And I've got the pits, 6. So 6 times 7 by 2 is 21. So what are the Vedic math sutras we can associate? I can try to associate a lot of sutras. Ekadikena purvena, ekanyena purvena, paravartya yojayet, anurupyena, gunaka samuchaya for the triangular numbers, and vilokanam for observation. And thank you for your patience hearing. I hope you understood the game.